Pwede di mo singit. Okay. Kunya na. Saan siya kayo kay late jud kayo? Nag-ingon na naan ako ng... Okay, to be honest, late jud kay ko. Naan ako diri sa pagabot na ako diri. Wait lang, mag-wish na ako, mag-space ako. Pagabot ako diri, imong sister na ang nag-istorya. Ano sila, last ako. Ang sunod is imong mother. Sunod imong isa ka lola. Sunod imong isa ka lola. Kung ako yung last, kinsa ko. Okay, once again, good evening everyone. I'm one of her teachers, science teachers. Nagkinig ko ganina, may pag magtundok daw siguro ko, no? Kaysa mag-istorya din sa tubangan. But, seriously, pasensya na kayo mga kuan, magunin na ako mga estudyante. Yes, and earlier, someone mentioned nga, sure, hilak baya ang uban sa ilaha. Kay first time daw sila i-invite. Yes, from January to December. Sa takaran, December 8, first time pa po na ako na-invite o 18th birthday. Debut sa akong estudyante. Ako lang po. Na si Paanderi, si Isabel, na si Kisha. Huwag yun ang invite, ana sila. So for that, favorite na takakaroon. But seriously, once again, good evening everyone and happy 18th birthday. Welcome to Legality. Welcome to Adulthood. First time, the first time that I met you is when I asked you to be the candidate, right? You were grade 8 back then. And when I watched you and first time that I saw you, you did your pasarela walk. Like, I was so amazed. Like, kabata ni bata, but she's so full of confidence. And I'm so glad that you have these people in your surroundings that wala giniwala to confidence sa inyo. And I hope that when you welcome the Legality and when you explore the world, Kaleka, because believe me when I say that the things that you're encountering right now is incomparable to the things that we might encounter in the future. So sana you'll still walk with grace, you'll still walk with confidence, and welcome to maturity, welcome to mature decisions and choices. I really do hope that, yes, it might be that sometimes you'll be having mga pangit na choices. I mean, for you, okay, pero if tanaw na to sa kuan, di na siya okay na choices. But I believe your parents are here, the people that you love are here. One thing is for sure, if you're going to ask guidance and advices from your parents and the people that you love, they will never hurt you. And please listen. Pag masyado matigas ang ulo, hinabi yung kay pagkagahit, hindi ka may utok, ulo, like, pagkagahit ulo, isagin na siya sa layo pa lang ko, pero madunggan din sa tanang Holy Cross na, uy, na si Teacher June. Kaya magsabay ni si Isabel, o siya kasi collect, Teacher June. So, yeah, kinda annoying sometimes. Pero, to be honest, I'll miss that, that the presence of these people. So yun lang again, listen to your parents, listen to the people in your surrounding because wala sila ilaing gusto for you, nothing but the best. Happy birthday! Thank you!
Thank you so much, Ma'am Junilene. And once again, thank you very much.